Here in the Division of Birds, we have somewhere around 620,000 museum specimens, and that represents about 85% of the diversity of birds in the world. You look at these specimens and you realize that this is where the science is really going to start. We're using our collections to identify birds that collide with airplanes and help us improve aviation.
By the time we got to 1910, there was only one passenger pigeon left, Martha.
Hey.
See, people didn't realize that this abundant food source wasn't gonna stay abundant forever. And once they did, all conservation efforts proved to be too little, too late. When Martha died at her home in the Cincinnati Zoo, her body was put on ice and shipped to the Smithsonian. Today you can find her there, a solemn reminder of a species we took for granted.
Birds are the one form of wildlife that nearly everyone encounters every day, so we sometimes take them for granted. But birds have been a constant throughout human history because we know deep down, instinctively, that where we see and hear birds, people are likely to thrive as well. Humans have a fascination with birds that goes back thousands of years across nearly.
They tell us when seasons are changing. They tell us stories that help us understand our own. And they welcome every morning with their beautiful songs.